Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Thermoflask lid is probably one of the most essential accessories for any avid user of these popular insulated bottles, ensuring that your beverage stays at the perfect temperature for hours on end, whether it's piping hot coffee on a chilly morning or ice-cold water during an intense workout. And a reliable lid is paramount to maintaining that thermal efficiency and preventing any unwanted leaks or spills that could ruin your day. Number 5. Iron Degree Flask Carabiner Straw Lid. Introducing the Iron Degree Flask Carabiner Straw Lid, designed for your wide-mouth insulated sports water bottles. This accessory offers simple, BPA-free functionality. This straw lid is exclusively designed to fit all wide-mouth bottles from Iron Flask. Ensure a perfect match for your existing bottle. Each package comes with everything you need: 2 lids, 4 straws, and 2 cleaning brushes. You'll have spares and cleaning tools readily available. Enjoy a functional design that's easy to carry and drink from. You can use it as a straw lid or a sports lid by simply removing the straw. Please note, it is not suitable for hot liquids. Crafted with top-notch quality, both the lid and straws are made from BPA-free materials. You can trust in the safety and durability of this product. Say goodbye to leaks. Our lids are designed to stay firmly secure on your favorite water bottle, giving you peace of mind wherever you go. What we like. This set offers exceptional value with 2 lids and 4 straws, ensuring you always have a backup. It also includes 2 cleaning brushes for easy maintenance. If you frequently use your bottle for different activities or share it, this comprehensive package is ideal. What people say. This top fit both and looks exactly like the original top. I also like that you get 2 tops, 4 straws and 2 straw brushes. Excellent set. It is designed to use as a straw, but I just pulled the silicone straw tube out and tip it back to drink. There is a hole in the middle that allows air to flow in as you drink. The top has a built-in plug to prevent leaks when you close it. The clip on this particular lid is very helpful to free up hands on the go. You can easily clip it to a backpack or chair to free up your hands for all the other stuff you have to carry on the go. With its high-quality materials, BPA-free components, and easy-to-clean design, this lid is an excellent investment that makes drinking on the go a breeze. Number 4. DBIW Hydro Flask Wide Mouth Replacement Lid. Stay hydrated with ease. This lid is designed for maximum flow, allowing for simple one-handed drinking. Its superior gasket ensures a 100% leak-proof seal, so you can confidently carry it anywhere. This lid is engineered as a premium replacement for your favorite wide-mouth bottles. It fits perfectly with various sizes of Hydro Flask, Nalgene, and Thermoflask, ensuring a snug and secure fit. Enjoy safe and mess-free hydration. Simply twist the cap to open for a smooth sip and close it tightly for a secure seal. It's ideal for travel, workouts, or daily use, providing a steady stream without spills. Crafted from premium, BPA-free materials, this lid is safe for your health and built to last. The wide mouth design makes sipping and cleaning easy. Plus, it's top-rack dishwasher safe for simple maintenance. As a proud U.S. brand, we are committed to high-quality replacement parts. We stand behind our products and offer reliable customer support to ensure your satisfaction. Our upgraded spout opens with just a half turn for quick, one-handed drinking. It features chamfered edges that align seamlessly with your bottle for a sleek, unified look, making it a perfect replacement. What we like. Experience effortless hydration with its superior gasket and maximum flow spout, designed for easy, one-handed drinking. If you prioritize a truly leak-proof seal and quick sips without removing the entire lid, this is the perfect choice for your active lifestyle. What people say. The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. The straw is easy to use and clean. It's a great replacement lid for my Thermoflask. Number 3. Iron Degree Flask Flex Straw Lid. Introducing the Iron Degree Flask Flex Straw Lid, designed for your wide-mouth insulated sports water bottles. It's a simple, BPA-free solution for easy hydration on the go. This straw lid is specifically designed to fit all narrow and standard mouth bottles from Iron Flask. Enjoy a secure and perfect fit for your favorite bottle. Your package includes everything you need: 2 lids, 4 straws, and 2 cleaning brushes. Stay prepared and keep your hydration gear in top condition. It's designed for easy carrying and drinking, offering both straw lid and sports lid functionality. Simply adjust it to your preference for a seamless experience. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, both the lid and straws ensure safe and durable use. Hydrate with confidence knowing you're using the best. Worry less about spills. Our lids are engineered to stay firmly secure on your water bottle, preventing any leaks and keeping your belongings dry. What we like. Specifically designed for narrow mouth bottles, this lid offers the same convenience as its wide mouth counterpart. If you have an iron flask narrow mouth bottle and need a reliable replacement that allows for easy drinking and carrying, this is the solution for you. What people say. This lid replacement fits my Thermoflask perfectly, and the spout is easy to open and close. The straw mechanism works smoothly, making it convenient to drink from the flask on the go. The replacement lid has a secure seal, preventing any leaks even when the flask is tilted. Number 2. Hydro Flask Wide Mouth Straw Lid. Experience ultimate convenience with our upgraded straw top. It features a flexible strap and sturdy pivots, making it super comfortable to carry. This flip top is perfect for one-handed drinking on the go, ideal for any activity. Searching for the perfect straw lid? This is it. Our lids are engineered for a perfect seal on most wide mouth bottles. It's the ideal replacement lid you've been looking for. Please note, it fits wide mouth bottles only. Your health and taste matter. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, this lid is completely safe for both hot and cold beverages. The soft mouthpiece ensures a pure taste with every drink. Get a complete lid solution with unbeatable value. This set includes everything you need: one lid, 2 extra-long straws, and a cleaning brush. The straws are designed to be easily trimmed for a perfect fit. We guarantee your satisfaction with this water bottle replacement lid. It's manufactured under strict quality control for lasting durability. If you have any questions, contact us directly for a prompt solution. What we like. Enjoy ultimate convenience with an upgraded flexible handle for comfortable carrying and a BPA-free, taste-free sipping experience. If you value portability and a pure taste, and appreciate the ability to customize the straw length for a perfect fit, this lid is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. Easy to clean and use. Durable material and good design. Number 1. Spout Lid Replacement for Hydro Flask Wide Mouth Bottles. This lid is specifically designed for wide-mouth stainless steel bottles with a 2.28-inch opening. It's compatible with Hydro Flask wide-mouth bottles in various sizes, from 12 to 64 ounces. Please check your bottle size before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Easily convert your wide-mouth bottle into a narrow mouth for convenient drinking on the go. The sturdy, rounded handle makes carrying it a breeze, perfect for travel. Tired of losing your cap? Our innovative design features a cap that detaches easily with a gentle twist, so you'll never have to worry about misplacing it again. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free materials, this lid ensures safe and clean drinking. The reinforced straps and large handles are built to withstand heavy use without breaking or deforming. We are committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy our high-quality product and excellent customer service. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to assist you. Please remember, this lid is exclusively for wide mouth bottles. It will not fit narrow or standard mouth bottles. Double-check your bottle type and mouth diameter before buying. What we like. This lid features a unique double twist design that converts your wide mouth bottle for easier drinking, with a cap that stays attached to prevent loss. If you're tired of misplacing bottle caps and want a robust, easy-to-carry option for travel or daily use, this lid offers great convenience and security. What people say. The lid fits perfectly and doesn't leak. Easy to clean and use. Durable material and good quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.